Yeah, so right here, we're taking the bed bolts out, getting ready to take the bed off, and these bolts were way rusty. So we had to use the grinder to cut a couple off and then disconnect everything. So that's what we're doing here. What's up, everybody?
What's up?
So we're already got the cab off there, and we just lifted that up and put it on some blocks, ran some eye hooks. Let me show you here. Got some eye hooks for the bed. Just plop them in there. Now we're gonna get the cherry picker, strap it, and take it off. We'll do a time lapse. So the bed's up, and now looking at it, we think that the original color is brown because it has this coating. In Montana, they used to put this coating on the bottom of trucks. So that's why the bottom, yeah, it's a little rusted out here, and obviously down here is rusted, so it must have worn off. But right here, underneath the coating, look at that. You'd think the original color was brown, even though the truck is green. So I don't know if that's just the primer that they did from the factory. Maybe some of you guys can educate me, I don't know. But it looks like a nice color brown, but yeah. So, I don't know, but we will see. We will see. So now the sandblasting of the frame can commence.
So we're doing some more sandblasting, and this is how it's going so far. All of this right here, we got done on the top too, and right now we're going over across like that area. We're gonna get the whole thing done hopefully today.
Texas sky so bold, pickup truck and my old guitar, strumming tunes neath the evening star.
Sifting sand. If you're guys, take it. put it through the screen. He shakes it out. Dumps the trash over there. Reuse all the sand for the sandblast. Sand swept up. Sips it right here. Move the frame over so we can have some more room this side now. So we can get over here and get all this side done. And our plan is to we're going to start from the back here and then work our way forward. We're going to take out the axle, take the axle out, put it on jack stands, and get it all prepped, and then just start working forward on cleaning and getting it the rust inhibitor on sealed and then painted. So yeah, let's do this. Hello. So in order to get this thing done in a timely manner, I'm going to challenge my son to do stuff while I'm at work. So he's got getting ready to go back to school. He's got a whole bunch of AP classes and starting beach volleyball and club volleyball. So his time is limited, but I'm gonna still put some more on him. So I'm gonna challenge him to sand and prep and possibly paint the gas brackets, the bottom brackets that hold the gas tank in. So at least we can get something done and push that to our little shed in the back where we're putting all the stuff that we have done. We're prepping and putting it all in there so we can start chugging along with this and chopping it up. So that's his challenge. So the next video is probably going to be him doing that challenge. So yeah, we'll see how it goes.